Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video, I thought that I would show you guys the spring cleaning that I am doing. So I have already cleaned up all of these areas already. Let me just show you. So here's our literacy center along with like math games. This bucket has things that the kids need to finish with me when we come back. I start VKRP next week. I have lesson plans ready for next week. I have some little mini decodable books that the kids can read if they ever want to. All of my stuff is organized, so I have all of my group stuff, literacy, then math in the back. Of course, this stuff goes home with me. This needs to be filed, and I need to go through this eventually. So let's just not even pay that any mind. So I cleaned up under here. I've also cleaned up under there. I have gotten together some sensory bin. So this is the water bead sensory bin. I have also gotten together the Artaroni, so they can just use those to make things on the table. We have the spring container here with like a magnifying glass, a rake, and one of those like pincher things. And then I also have the birthday cake dough down here. So I am tackling this area right here. I've already cleaned off this, and I've gotten that organized so far, along with like the things back here, colored pencils, markers, stuff like that. I'm still trying to get that stuff off of that white shelf, and I did organize the math one. All of the books are good where they're at. I've organized up under here the best way that I could, and then basically this area is good to go. I think I'm gonna let the peppermints go unless the kids want one before I let them go this afternoon. They need to take papers home, stuff like that, and I need to file these away. So that's everything that I'm doing at the moment. I'm gonna keep continuing to work as I have about 30 more minutes to kind of get it together, and then a little while longer because I'm not, I don't leave until 2:25, so I have a while. All right, so here's the quick update. I am tired. New seating arrangement. Had to move the chairs to match the name tags. Cleaned up the best that I can over here. Have my stuff ready to go home with me. Take a look back here. Everything looks much neater. I need to put this away. Other than that, that's it. Organize this a lot better.